What's up, bro?
I like your car.
Thank you, bro. You too, bro.
Hey, mate,
G'day, guys. Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
I like your car.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Is it loud?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you probably hear me leaving.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Do you post the videos?
I do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
YouTube or?
I do, yeah. No.
So it's invalid card.
Nice.
Invalid?
To meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No, it's still invalid card.
Invalid card? It's... Yeah, it kept saying my card was invalid even though I've used it, like it's active.
Go through. Now it's saying this error.
Is that gonna work?
Oh, good. Thank you very
All
much.
good. What I'll do is I'll pull back around and I'll give you my YouTube.
Yeah, I want to have a look.
Yeah, done.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Well, do you guys have your phone with you?
Yes.
Alright, I'll just give you my Instagram and then you can
is
follow
it?
my... So it's
Official?
official.7sa.
This one?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So I'll send you the link to my YouTube. Just text me, yeah?
Okay.
Just say I'm like the girl from Wendy's. Have a good night. See you guys.
This is
Hey,
drink,
thank you.
and your food won't be too long, and the straw will be in the bag.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.